Did you know that the world of manga we love today started centuries ago as playful sketches on ancient scrolls? From samurai doodles to modern-day icons like Naruto and Attack on Titan, manga has come a long way. Stick around to find out how this incredible art form became a global sensation. Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the amazing story of manga, Japan's most iconic cultural export. Whether you're a hardcore fan or just curious, this journey through time will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Let's start way back in the 12th century with something called imeki, ancient illustrated scrolls. These scrolls combined images and text to tell stories, much like manga does today. One famous example is the Chōjū-giga, or Scrolls of Frolicking Animals, often considered the first manga. It featured whimsical drawings of animals acting like humans, a style that still inspires manga today. Fast forward to the Edo period, 1603 to 1867, and you'll find Ukiyo-e, or woodblock prints. Artists like Hokusai, famous for the Great Wave, also created sketchbooks called Hokusai manga, filled with humorous and lively drawings. While they weren't manga as we know it, they laid the groundwork for this incredible art form. Now, let's talk about the 20th century, where manga truly began to take shape. After World War II, Japan was rebuilding, and people craved stories that brought them joy and escape. Enter Osamu Tezuka, the god of manga. He revolutionized the art form with works like Astro Boy and Kimba the White Lion. Tezuka was inspired by Western cartoons like Disney but gave manga its signature emotional depth and unique storytelling. His cinematic style, dynamic panel layouts, and compelling characters set the stage for the manga boom. By the 1960s and 70s, manga exploded into diverse genres: action, romance, horror, and more, appealing to readers of all ages. Magazines like Shonen Jump became cultural staples, launching legendary series like Dragon Ball and One Piece. Fast forward to the 1990s and 2000s, manga crossed borders, captivating audiences worldwide. A huge factor? Anime adaptations. Shows like Naruto, Sailor Moon, and Pokemon introduced manga stories to international viewers. Soon, translated manga flooded bookstores, and fans couldn't get enough. The internet made things even bigger. Fan translations and online communities brought people together from every corner of the globe. Manga wasn't just Japanese anymore, it was universal. So, why does manga continue to thrive? Simple, it's endlessly creative. There's a manga for everyone, from epic battles to heartwarming love stories, even cooking and sports. Plus, the art form keeps evolving, with digital platforms making it more accessible than ever. Manga also connects with people emotionally. The characters feel real, the stories are relatable, and the art pulls you in. It's not just entertainment, it's an experience. And that's the incredible story of how manga became the worldwide phenomenon we know today. What's your favorite manga or anime? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content about the stories and cultures that connect us all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure through history and art.